So periodic functions. So some functions are mentioned as periodic, and we are going to discuss about the periodic functions. In the last class we learnt about even functions and odd functions. In this class we are going to discuss about periodic functions. The word period, usually we use the word period in different situations, okay? Usually subject periods, or see, coming to the newspapers and magazines, some type of magazines are mentioned as periodicals. That in the sense, with an equal interval of time we will get those magazines, and those type of magazines are mentioned as periodicals. And here in particularly periodic, which represents repeating the same procedure, okay? If a function is mentioned as periodic, if it shows the same behavior after a certain interval, okay? After a certain interval, if a function shows same behavior, function showing same behavior in the sense, graph of the function is same, okay? Graph of function is same after a certain interval. Those type of functions are mentioned as periodic functions. And see, if the function behaves in the same way after a certain gap, after a certain interval, that gap, that length of the interval is termed as the periodicity, okay? So periodicity will play an important role for the periodic functions. Periodic function means if it shows the same behavior after a certain interval of time, after a certain interval of length, we call them as periodic functions, and the length of the interval is considered as periodicity of the function, right? For example, see, I started my discussion with f of x is equals to sin x, okay? Sin x is well known for us, and this is the graph of sin x, just as sketched it, okay? See, on x-axis we took the angles 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 4 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 6 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, like that. And the graph of sin x is just like a curvish motion. And if you look the graph, see, from 0 to 2 pi, in this region 0 to 2 pi, the curve is like this. Again, if you observe, from 2 pi to 4 pi, the curve is same. That in the sense, f of x is equals to sin x, the graph of f of x is equals to sin x shows the same behavior or shows the same curve in the region 0 to 2 pi. Okay, see, the graph in the region 0 to 2 pi is similar not exactly same to the graph in the region 2 pi to 4 pi, okay, from 2 pi to 4 pi. This gap, this length, all are same, okay? And the graph is same for the interval 4 pi to 6 pi. And the graph is same for the interval 6 pi to 8 pi, like that. If you consider an interval from this 0 to 2 pi, the graph is like this. And the length of this interval is how many units? 2 pi. Since length of this interval is 2 pi and it is behaving in such a manner, again in a length of 2 pi, in the length of the interval 2 pi, that means from 2 pi to 4 pi, the graph is behaving in the same manner. Again from 4 pi to 6 pi, the graph is behaving in the same manner. The graph is same, the function behavior is same, okay? For every interval of 2 pi units, that 2 pi is considered as the periodicity of the function sin x, okay? In another way, for suppose, for a point, at a point you may say some theta, sin theta value is this vertical length. This vertical length is sin theta, okay? So we say this particular point is theta comma sin theta, because the x value is theta. When you replace x with theta, corresponding y, f of x is sin theta. From this point theta, you just move an interval of length 2 pi units, okay? If you move an interval of length 2 pi units, this is pi, and if you move an interval of length 2 pi units starting from theta, you will reach approximately this particular position. Since this is theta, this particular position is how much? Theta plus 2 pi. From theta we move 2 pi units towards right, and that's why this particular point is simply theta plus 2 pi. And for that particular point theta plus 2 pi, again if you observe the point on the graph, and now it is theta plus 2 pi comma sine theta. The vertical length is again same. That in the sense that 2 pi is the periodicity of the function. In another way to check, since we know sine of 2 pi plus theta is equals to sine theta. That in the sense theta and 2 pi plus theta will give you the same outputs for the function sine. Okay, and that's why 2 pi is the periodicity of the sine x, right? So I will generalize the concept of periodicity, and then I will discuss different examples and their periodicities, and we need to check whether they are periodic or not, and everything we need to check. Okay, just have a look till now. In a mathematical way, a function is periodic if f of x plus t is equals to f of x for all x. For all x, if f of x plus t is equals to f of x, okay, then the function is mentioned as periodic, and least possible value of t is mentioned as periodicity. Is mentioned as periodicity. Okay, when you look sin x again, sin x, when you observe sin of x plus pi by 2, sin of 90 plus x is cos x. Whereas if you observe sin of x plus pi, sin of 180 plus theta is minus sin theta, is minus sin x. Whereas sin of x plus 3 pi by 2, sin of 270 plus theta is again what? See, minus cos x. Okay. Whereas sin of x plus 2 pi, sin of x plus 2 pi is sin x. See, if you check for pi by 2, pi, 3 by 2 and 2 pi, sin of x plus 2 pi is sin x. And now sin of x plus 4 pi, again it is sin x. Sin of x plus 6 pi is again sin x only. Sin of x plus 2 pi, sin of x plus 4 pi, like that if you continue for all this type, the result is sin x only. And you need to observe these values 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, and among these values 2 pi is the least, and that's why the 2 pi is considered as what? Periodicity of sin x. So for every function, if t is periodicity, then f of x plus t is f of x. Not only f of x plus t, f of x plus 2t is also f of x itself. Okay? Why? If you check once, a function is periodic and the least possible value of t is periodicity. If t is periodic, we have that f of x plus t is equals to f of x. Okay, that's okay. For suppose, if you wish to think about f of x plus 2t, what will happen? F of x plus 2t. I will rewrite it like this: f of x plus t plus t. As per this first definition, x plus t, t plus something is f of that something, t plus x plus t. So this is equals to f of x plus t, and that f of x plus t is again f of x. So if f of x plus t is f of x, then f of x plus 2t is also f of x. So here t is periodicity, 2t is also periodicity. But in generally we consider the least value t as periodicity. Okay, right. In the same way, if you think f of x plus 3t, still if you simplify, again you will get the same f of x. So if a function is periodic, then in the place of t we have many choices and many options. Among those we need to choose the suitable one, and usually we consider the least possible among possible values of t. Have a look. So we need to find out the periodicity of these functions, and we need to check whether these are periodic or not. Sin x, cos x, cosecant x and secant x, all these are periodic. From the graphs it is clear, and the periodicity is 2 pi. How? Sin of x plus 2 pi is sin x, or you may say cos of x plus 2 pi is cos x. Similarly, if you go with cosecant x and secant x, same will happen, and so they are periodic. The periodicity is 2 pi. But whereas coming to tan x and cot x, they are also periodic, but it is simply pi, because tan of x plus pi is tan pi. See tan x, right? Tan of x plus pi is tan x. If you observe, first quadrant tan positive, second quadrant negative. So 2 quadrants completed. Again third quadrant positive, fourth quadrant negative. Same thing happens, right? And that's why only 2 quadrant length, that in the sense pi is the periodicity of these two. They are periodic with the periodicity pi. Tan of x plus pi is tan x. In the same way, if you observe, cot of x plus pi is again cot x, and that's why for these two trigonometric functions periodicity is pi, whereas for all these things the periodicity is 2 pi. Usually, to understand and to analyze the periodicity of the functions, trigonometric functions are much comfortable for us, because they are basically periodic, and all the remaining polynomial functions, exponential functions, logarithmic functions, okay, and some special functions like step x, mod x, all these things are not periodic. Okay, so and that's why initially we are discussing with the trigonometric functions. And now modulus for all the trigonometric functions, mod sin x, mod cos x, mod cosecant x, like that. If you apply modulus, okay, everything is positive, right? Everything is positive. When you think about sin x, in first quadrant 0 to 1, in second quadrant minus 1 to 0, so minus 1 to 1 get completed in first 2 quadrants only. For everything, if you observe, since it is modulus, if you observe that modulus of cos of x plus pi, modulus of cos of x plus pi is modulus of minus cos x, modulus of minus cos x or cos x, both are same. Likewise, if you check, I just mentioned here for the cos, you just observe for all the 6 trigonometric. So all these things are periodic. The modulus of trigonometric function is periodic with periodicity pi. For all the 6 trigonometric ratios, if there is a modulus, its periodicity is pi. Then trigonometric function power even number. Power even number mentions that the expression, the function is always positive. So don't bother about the base, since the power is even number, always it is positive. If it is negative or if it is positive, still the result is positive, since the power is even number. So it is also just like modulus only. For all the 6 trigonometric functions, they are periodic if the power is even, and their periodicity is pi. You need to analyze once why the periodicity is pi. Why? Because if suppose if you take this square of anything like a tan square x covers minus infinity to infinity in first 2 quadrants. The same values, the same behavior it shows in the remaining 2 quadrants, and that's why the periodicity is pi. At the end, trigonometric function power odd number. See, if you have an odd number for the power of trigonometry, like sin of 2021x or cos power 2021x. So like that, if you check, they are periodic and their periodicity is 2 pi. But whereas coming for the tan and cot, tan of 2021 power x as well as cot of 2021, cot power 2021x, they are also periodic with periodicity pi. Why the periodicity is pi? Just simply you need to observe. Why? Because if you replace this x with x plus pi, it gives you same result. Okay, just have a look. See, this is something about the periodicity of the trigonometric functions if modulus and squares are involved. Okay, have a look. F of x is equals to step x. How to analyze? See, if the function step x shows this same behavior after a certain interval, then it is mentioned as periodic, and the length of that interval is mentioned as periodicity. See, we are all familiar with the graph of step x. Yeah, what is the graph of step x? It is just like steps format, right? This is the graph of step x, all we know. Since this is the graph of step x, the steps goes on rise, right? That in the sense, this step x is not showing the same behavior after a certain interval of length. For suppose if here I have, this is the vertical length and this is the y value, and after a certain interval of time, interval of length, the height for sure it changes, right? So that step x is not periodic because it is not showing a repeated behavior, okay, and that's why this step x is not periodic. Whereas the modulus of x, we know the shape of the modulus of x, okay. For step x, the analyzation is simply steps, whereas for mod x, the graph is just like this. See, the graph is just like this, okay, two lines here like that. And again, it is very clear that the graph is not showing the same behavior. Once it goes on like that, okay, it never come back. And that's why again this modulus of x is also not periodic. Whereas coming to the fractional part of x, all we know, fractional part of x is the decimal value of the number. For example, fractional part of 2.7 is how much? 0.7. Because 2 is the integral part, 0.7 is the fractional part. Fractional part of 4 by 7 is still 0.7. Fractional part of 5.7, fractional value of 6.7. All these values are same. For all these things, for all these numbers, the fractional value is 0.7. That in the sense, this fractional value of x is showing the same behavior after an interval of length 1 unit, 4.7 to 5.7. 1 unit is the length. 5.7 to 6.7. 1 unit is the gap. For fractional part of x, the function is periodic and the periodicity is 1. Okay. Then the next thing is x. X is just a straight line. It goes on like that. Okay. So the behavior is not periodic, and that's why this is not periodic. Whereas f of x is equals to 2020. F of x is equals to 2020 is a constant function, and that f of x gives you the same value for any value of x. See, for all the values of x, the function is showing the same behavior. Since for all the values of x, since it is showing the same behavior, for sure it is periodic, but we are not sure about periodicity. Why? Because it is showing the same behavior, right? So f of x is equals to 2000 is periodic, but periodicity not exist. For constant functions, periodicity not exist, but they are periodic. So just have a look. This is something about the periodic functions and periodicity. Have a look.